What's up, everybody? Astro Trends here. If this is your first time at the channel, what we do here is we combine astrological forecasting with traditional trend analysis to predict and speculate on price movements in crypto and stock markets. So we're covering AMC here right now, and if you caught our update yesterday, we were talking about this triangle pattern, the possibility of breaking down to this moving average here. And so far that's holding as we expected. And we're now looking to build our way back up here, maybe recapture this line here as support and to rocket through this previous local high. So not much has changed with the trend here. Pretty much playing out as expected so far, and this is a good place. I'm considering adding some here. Not financial advice, do your own research, make your own decisions, but I am fully confident in this moving average holding. But let's dive into the astrology to see what's at play here today and in the coming days. It's the 12th here. Let's back it up to June 10th. A little behind on the minutes. It's 1:39 Eastern time here right now. Alright, so yesterday we had the solar eclipse that we spoke about, conjunct Mercury here, and that has had a lot to do, or indicates a lot to do with all of the press we've been seeing on AMC as well as GameStop and on the meme stocks in general. There's some speculation that maybe the institutions are, or the corporate media is pushing other meme stocks. Not going to name anything, but the possibility that they're maybe trying to dilute the community effort to squeeze any other one stock in particular. In any case, the solar eclipse conjunct Mercury does indicate a lot of influence coming from discussion, media, conversation in general, and that's opposite AMC's Mercury. So a pretty powerful, highly energized aspect that is highlighting communication around the stock, which we've obviously seen. But let's see. Moving ahead now, what I'm really excited about is as you move forward over the next 2 days, first thing we get is the moon's ingress into Cancer. And this Cancer-Capricorn axis here is very important for AMC. Very important for positive price movements because we have both of the benefics here, Venus and Jupiter, AMC's natal Venus and Jupiter, both along this axis. So they indicate good price movement, and Jupiter indicates good volume. So the moon is moving into place here to shine some light on the positive influences we want to see. At the same time, we have Venus coming into closer, tighter conjunction with a natal moon. We got Venus at 10 degrees here, natal moon at 11 degrees, and then even more bullish, we have Jupiter here at 17 degrees. So Venus is approaching a conjunction with those two. And this is, we're looking at Thursday here. If we move forward to Friday, we get this nice configuration we talked about yesterday with the moon and Venus conjunct natal moon and Jupiter. And like Venus being in this area is just great in general. It's slower moving than the moon, though. The moon will bring works in smaller time scales, so it highlights this time in particular. Okay, and the other big indicator about this time coming up in the next couple of days into the weekend is we have Mars, which is a malefic, a negative, usually a negative influence on price. Everything depends on context, though. But we've had Mars opposing AMC's natal Venus here, which just indicates some like battling, some difficulty with value. Venus indicates value, and when you're looking at stocks and assets, usually price. So Mars has been having an overall negative effect on Venus here, but at the same time we get this this good configuration over here. We get the Moon progressing into Cancer and Venus forming a tighter aspect. We also get Mars ingressing into Aries and leaving this sign-based and degree-based opposition from Venus. So there's a lot of bullish activity going on here going into the weekend. So that's what's giving me a lot of confidence about our holding this support up here and not breaking down further. I think what we've seen so far is a healthy amount of correction, consolidation, and a healthy outlook to be breaking on the upside here. And I think as soon as we get upward price movement here, we're going to have no trouble breaking this previous high, local high trend line. So that covers the short-term forecast. If you're interested in some other indications about AMC here, we have I pointed this out the other day. Jupiter conjunct Neptune. It's not quite exact. Aspects tend to be the most powerful as they approach and become exact, and then as they separate, they usually their influence falls off a lot. So we have Jupiter approaching Neptune. Neptune can be, there's lots of indications for it. It can be a dreamy kind of sign. It can in asset classes I usually see it can sometimes indicate overvaluation, which obviously these meme stocks, part of their action is that they're I mean, you can debate whether it's overvalued or undervalued, but we obviously, the price action we're seeing on these meme stocks is derived from this this huge community effort to buy and hold or hodl, all those sorts of things. So Jupiter, which is expansive, brings optimism and energy to points. It's bringing a lot of energy to this Neptunian dream of reaching ever higher highs. So it's a really good aspect. I think it highlights the fact that AMC as a meme stock is happening now. This is like its time. Obviously not financial advice, do your own research, but if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on AMC as well as Bitcoin if you're into crypto. And we should have a GameStop analysis coming up probably later today. Thanks.